The one trading rule that could save your account. Before we begin, answer this question. What if I told you that the difference between a profitable trader and a blown account is not strategy, not indicators, not smart money concepts, not ICT, and not even experience? What if the one thing that determines whether you are still trading 5 years from now is a rule so simple that most traders ignore it? Stay with me, because this single rule has saved more accounts than any trading strategy ever created. And if you're currently struggling with consistency, revenge trading, over-leveraging, or emotional decision-making, this lesson might completely change the way you look at trading. Every day, thousands of traders enter the market. Some trade Forex, some trade gold, some trade NAS 100, some trade crypto. They all have different strategies, different indicators, different mentors, different entry techniques, but despite all these differences, most of them eventually lose money. Why? Because they break one rule. A rule that professional traders treat like oxygen. A rule that keeps them alive when everyone else is getting wiped out. That rule is simple. Protect your capital at all costs. Not grow your account, not double your money, not catch the biggest move. Protect your capital. Because if you lose your capital, you lose your ability to participate in the market. Think about this. Imagine two traders. Trader A risks 20% of his account on every trade. Trader B risks 1%. Both traders use exactly the same strategy. Both traders win and lose at the same rate. Now imagine they both hit a losing streak. Trader A loses 5 trades. His account is down massively. He's emotional. He's frustrated. He's desperate. Trader B loses the same 5 trades. His account is barely damaged. He's calm. He's confident. He's ready for the next opportunity. Who do you think has a better chance of long-term success? The answer is obvious. Yet every day, traders continue to risk far more than they should. Not because they don't know better, but because emotions take control. Let's talk about greed. Greed is one of the biggest account killers in trading. Greed whispers things like, just increase your lot size. This setup looks perfect. You need to make your money back. This is the trade that will change everything. And because those thoughts sound logical in the moment, traders listen, then one loss turns into 2. 2 turns into 3, and suddenly weeks or months of progress disappear. The market doesn't care how confident you are. The market doesn't care how badly you need money. The market doesn't care about your bills. The market doesn't care about your emotions. The market only rewards discipline. Here's something most trading influencers never tell beginners. The goal of trading is not to make money. That sounds crazy, right? But it's true. The first goal of trading is survival, because survival comes before profit. A trader who survives can always recover. A trader who blows their account cannot. Think about professional businesses. Airlines focus on safety before profits. Hospitals focus on keeping patients alive before anything else. Professional traders focus on protecting capital before making money. The principle is exactly the same. Asterisk, asterisk. Now let me ask you another question. Have you ever had a trade where you knew you were risking too much? You felt nervous. You couldn't stop checking the chart. You couldn't sleep. You kept moving your stop loss. You kept watching every candle. If you've experienced that, you weren't trading, you were gambling. Professional traders don't feel that pressure because their risk is controlled. When the risk is acceptable, emotions become manageable. When the risk is too large, emotions take over. And once emotions take over, mistakes become inevitable. One of the greatest misconceptions in trading is the belief that more risk equals more success. In reality, more risk often equals faster failure. Let's say you have a $10,000 account. You risk 10% per trade. A few losses can destroy months of hard work. Now imagine risking 1%. You have room to learn, room to improve, room to survive mistakes, and mistakes are guaranteed. No strategy wins all the time. No trader wins all the time. Even the best traders in the world lose. The difference is that they lose small. This is where most new traders get trapped. They believe one trade will change their life, so they treat every setup like a lottery ticket. They think if this trade wins, everything changes. But successful traders think differently. They know no single trade matters. One trade means nothing. 5 trades mean nothing. 10 trades mean nothing. What matters is the next 100 trades, the next 1,000 trades. The long-term outcome, trading is a marathon. Most people treat it like a sprint, and that's why they burn out. Let's discuss revenge trading. This is one of the fastest ways to destroy an account. A trader takes a loss instead of accepting it. They immediately enter another trade, not because the setup is good, but because they want revenge. They want their money back the second trade loses, then the third, then the fourth. What started as a small loss becomes a disaster. The funny thing is that none of this would happen if the trader simply followed one rule. Protect the account, protect the capital, protect the ability to trade tomorrow. Now think about funded accounts. Many traders dream of passing challenges, many dream of managing large capital. But funded firms don't care about how much profit you make if you're constantly violating risk rules. They care about consistency. They care about discipline. They care about risk management because professional trading is built on survival. A trader who protects capital can be trusted. A trader who constantly takes reckless risks cannot. Here's a mindset shift that changed many traders forever. Stop asking, how much can I make from this trade? Start asking, how much can I lose? That single question changes everything, because it forces you to think like a professional instead of a gambler. Professionals think about downside first. Amateurs think about upside first. That difference separates winners from losers. Asterisk, asterisk. Imagine a boxer entering a championship fight. Would he throw wild punches hoping for a lucky knockout? Or would he protect himself while looking for high probability opportunities? Trading is the same. Defense creates longevity. Longevity creates experience. Experience creates consistency. Consistency creates profits. Profits are the result, not the goal. Let's talk about patience. Many traders lose because they're in a hurry. A hurry to get rich, a hurry to quit their jobs, a hurry to prove themselves, but the market rewards patience. The trader who waits for quality setups often outperforms the trader who takes every setup. Patience protects capital. Capital protection extends survival. Survival creates opportunity. Here's another question. Would you rather make 5% every month for 5 years or make 50% in 1 month and blow your account the next month? Most people say the first option, yet their actions reveal the second. Success in trading is built through habits. Not excitement, not hype, not luck, habits, daily discipline, daily risk control, daily consistency. If you remember nothing else from this lesson, remember this: your account is your inventory. A store owner protects inventory. A trader protects capital. Without inventory, the business dies. Without capital, the trader disappears. Protect it, respect it, guard it. Because every professional trader understands one truth: opportunities are endless, capital is limited. Final message: the market will always be there tomorrow. The next setup will come, the next liquidity sweep will come, the next trend will come, the next opportunity will come. But only if your account survives today. That's why the one trading rule that could save your account is simple: protect your capital at all costs. Because the traders who stay in the game are the traders who eventually win. Follow for more trading psychology, discipline, risk management, and professional trader mindset lessons.